Standard 9. English Medium. Maths. Chapter 14. Statistics. 15th lecture.
Textbook page number 256, example number 9. Standard 9 English Medium Maths, chapter number 14, lecture number 50. Example number 9, illustrations, textbook. In a city, the weekly observations made in a study on the cost of living index are given in the figure table. Draw the frequency polygon for the data above without constructing the histogram. In last lecture, last times we have drawn the histogram. From that we have drawn the એના ઉપરથી આપણે શું બનાવેલું polygon. Here you have to directly draw the polygon. 140 to 155, 150 to 160, 10, 160 to 7, 170, 20, so on, 190 to 200. So on the histogram, you know that we will take the class marks on the x-axis. What is the formula for class mark? Class mark is equal to upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So I will take for the first one 140 plus 150 divided by 2, 290 divided by 2 is equal to 145. Class length is equal to 10. So here 155, here 165, here 175, 185, 195. You have to take virtual to extra limit. What is the class of this one? અને આગળનો કયો છે 140 to 130. So what is the frequency I have taken? 0. So here 135. So here what is your next virtual? Add 10. 200 to 210. What is the frequency? 0. And what is here? 20. So you will take here x-axis on the class marks 0, 5, 10, maximum 22. So I have taken the scale on y-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. You have to take it is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, because in your graph notebook there will be a many up to 26, 28 centimeter. So it can be included easily. X-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10. Okay. Now I can see that the starting is not from the 0 to 10. 0 to 10 સુધી ચાલતું નથી. So what I have to do? I have to take the breaks. Up to 135 मैं खुद को मार दी दो. 0 to 135. I am directly starting from the 135. King. I have to draw the king. Okay, break symbol will be there. And मैं तुमने बताया उच्च black block ऊपर, black block broads and black block नीचे. And don't draw the line between them. અહીંયા આગળ લાઈન ડ્રો કરવાની નથી. ચાલો, ઓકે. Then 135, 145, 145, 155, 165, 175, 185, 195 and 205. Okay. Now I will plot it. 135, 0, 145, 5. Where is your 5? It is here 4 and 5. Between 4 and 5. 5 will be here. Then 155, 10. 10 will be here, 155, 10, then 165, 20, 165, 20, 20, 175, 9, where is the 9? Here, 185, 6, 195, 2, and 205. Okay, with the help of scale, draw the order path. You can name it also ABCD, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, ABCD, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is required frequency polygon, and that is here. Okay, you can do it like this, right? Draw the here, here frequency. Now next comes from the exercise. I will take it. Standard 9 English Medium Math Chapter 14 Lecture number 15. Textbook exercise 14.3 Example number 6. The following tables gives the distributions of the students of two sections according to the marks obtained by them. Represent the marks of the student of both the sections on the same graph by the two frequency polygons. From the graph, compare the performance of the both the sections. Okay, so you are given the table સેક્શન A and સેક્શન B 9th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ સપોઝ આપણે છીએ તો સેક્શન A નો આપણે તમે જોઈએ તો 0 to 10 માર્ક્સ માં કેટલા સ્ટુડન્ટ 3, 10 to 20 માં 9, 20 to 30 70, 30 to 40 12, 40 to 59. Like this way here, 0 to 10 5, 10 to 20 19, 20 30 15, 30 40 10, 10 to 40 to 51. Okay, from that we will get the idea that the section A is better than this one. How can 20 to 50 there is many students? See here, 17, 29, 9. Well, in this case only 25, 26 students are there, while here 11 plus 7 more than it is 38. It is 38. Okay, so A is better. From this we will get the idea. But although we have to draw this one on the same graph paper, બંને પોલિગોન આપણે શાના પર દોરવાના છે? Same polygon, same graph paper. First of all, first class is start from the 0 to 10, so no need of the breaks ની જરૂર નથી. Class length of each class is same, so not the height of the rectangle, height of this one is directly proportional to the frequency. Frequency means number of students. So I have to take the two virtual classes. In case of polygon, આપણે બે virtual classes જોશે તો આના માટે કયો આવશે? 0 to 10 minus 10 to 0, minus 10 to 0, minus 10 to 0, right? 0 0 minus 10. Okay, what is this frequency? It is not given, that means it is a 0. What is here? Last one, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. What is this frequency? Not given, so it is taken at 0. Same way here, max frequency class. What is here? 0. And what is here? Minus 2 to 0. That is your virtual classes. Same things is here, 50 to 60. What is your frequency? Not given, 0. What is your frequency? Not given, 0. Is it clear? Now class length, class max. Okay. What is the formula for class max? તમારે એક તો બતાવવાનું જ, upper class plus lower class, lower limit, upper limit plus lower limit, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Upper limit 10 plus 0 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Is equal to 5. I have taken the blue ink. કારણ કે મારે અહીંયા બે ડ્રો કરવાના છે એક જ ઉપર. સો તમે એક પેન્સિલ થી અને એક શાનાથી ડ્રો કરશો? બ્લુ બોલ પેન્સિલ. 5. 10 plus 20, 15. 20 plus 30, 50 divided by 2, 25. 35, 45, and here what you have taken? 50, 60, 55. Same thing is there. What is here? Minus 5. It is minus 5, right? Here same thing, minus 5, 5, 15, 25, 35, 45 and 50. Right? Now scale. Now you can take the scale larger here. અહીંયા આગળ બોર્ડના હિસાબે મારી પાસે નાની જગ્યા છે, એટલે I have taken this classes. You will take it scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to, you have to take 1 unit, 1 student. Right? I have taken the student. See here, I have taken the student. એટલે મેં અહીંયા આગળ 1 centimeter મૂકી દઉં છું. That is my 1 centimeters. Okay. On x-axis, what is your class length? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 unit. 0 to 10. अच्छा तो 2 centimeter is equal to 10 unit લેશો તો બી ચાલશે. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. No. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. આને તમે આ બાજુથી લિફ્ટ કરશો તો પણ ચાલશે, પણ 10 યુનિટ્સ લખી દઈએ. 10 units or a 10 max. Your class max is here. Frequency is represented on the y-axis. Frequency is represented on the y-axis. Now, first draw the first complete graph. પહેલો એક આખો ગ્રાફ ડ્રો કરી દો, પછી તમે બીજો ડ્રો કરશો. બંને એકી સાથે નહીં. So I have taken this one. 0, 0 minus 5. That is your minus 5 y-axis, and that is 0. 5 3. 5 પર આપણો મારો આવે છે 3. So I will take here 5 3. Okay. Then 15 and 9. 15. 9 is here. Okay. 15 9. Then 25 17. 25 17 is here. Okay. 30 to 40, 12. 30 to 40, 12. That means 35, 12. 35, 12. 40 to 59, 45, 9. અહીંયા આગળ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ વધારે છે આ ક્લાસમાં. ઓકે, 9 સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ આર ધેર. હા, 45 માર્ક્સ વાળા કેટલા સ્ટુડન્ટ છે? 9. while here only 1, here 12, only here 10, here 17, here 15 only. lower marks વાળા આ બાજુ વધારે છે, આ બાજુ ઓછા છે, પણ higher marks વાળા આ બાજુ વધારે. So performance of A is better. Okay, then 55, 0. 55. So draw it. તમને ખબર જ છે હવે frequency polygon for section A. Right? For section A. Now I will use red pen. તમારે રેડ પેન કોઈ દિવસ યુઝ નથી કરવાની. ઓકે, બી કેરફુલ. ઇન એક્ઝામ નેવર ઇટ. હા, રેડ પેન ફક્ત એક્ઝામિનર જ ઉપયોગ કરી શકે. હા, ચાલો. હા, યુ કેન યુઝ ગ્રીન પેન, બ્લુ પેન. 0 same point is coincide. 5, 5, 5, 5. Like here 15 and 19, 15 and 19, 20 to 30 and 15, 25, 15, 1, 5, 25, 15, 35, 10, 45, 1. Only one students are there. And 35, that is coincide. Close the polygon. Close the polygon. So your polygon will be like this way. Polygon for section B. Polygon for section B. Okay, from A and B, what you conclude that it is observed from the graph that it is observed from both the frequency, both the frequency polygon, performance of section A is better than section B. Clear? Sure. That is for section B. But draw this graph with your own scale. Scale જરાક મોટો કરીને તમારે draw કરી દેવાનો છે. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 student, it is okay. Here try to 1 centimeter is equal to 20 marks. If it is not included, then take the 10 centimeter. You will write it on the next page. This is answer. It is observed from the both the frequency of the performance of section A is better than the performance PER for MANCE. Okay, section A is better than. પછી એને કીધું છે ને ક્વેશ્ચન્સ ના અંદર from the graph compare the performance of two sections, so we have compared it. Okay, now draw yourself. Standard 9th English medium subject maths, regarding subjects maths. Now we will discuss about the test which is arranged by school on 31st October 2020 Saturday. શનિવારના દિવસે 31 તારીખે 31st એ આપણે એક ટેસ્ટ ગોઠવી છે મેથ્સ ની. ઓકે, રિગાર્ડિંગ ઇટ વી વિલ ડિસ્કસ ઇટ. પોર્શન ફર્સ્ટ ટર્મ્સ નું બધું જ લઈ લીધું છે, મોસ્ટ ઓફ બધું જ છે. ઓકે, એટલે શું તમારે રિવાઇઝ થઈ જાય. અને અત્યાર સુધી જે ચાલ્યું છે તે અપ ટુ ફ્રાઈડે. ઓકે, exercise 14.3 up to 14.3 14 ના અંદર આપણે ચાલ્યું છે થોડું. ચેપ્ટર નંબર 1 2 3 4 5 6 11 12 15 and exercise 14.3 આપણે જેટલું કવર કર્યું હશે એટલું જ લઈશું. ઓકે, we will take the portions which is covered in chapter number 14. Okay, now total marks is 50. It is divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 consists 25 marks, part 2 consists 25 marks. Total marks here 50. 45 minutes for this one, 45 minutes for this one. 1.5 hours. 25 MCQ of 1 marks each, 25 marks. Part 1 section A એના અંદર તમારે ઓકે પાર્ટ 1 ના અંદર એક જ સેક્શન છે સેક્શન A એટલે 25 માર્ક્સ ના MCQ. Part 2 that is your written subjective. Section B 4 questions of 2 marks, short questions, short sums 3 4 5 6 step na 4 2s are 8 marks. Question 1 from chapter 1, 2 from 2, 3 for 4, 4 from 6. Okay, બબ્બે માર્ક્સ ના આપણે રાખ્યા છે chapter number 6. Okay, section C 3 question of 3 marks 9. Question 5 chapter number 12 hero's formula. Question number 6 chapter number 14 graph. Here we are draw the graph. Okay, એક ગ્રાફ મેં તમને બધા ચલાવેલા છે તેમાંથી એકાદી હિસ્ટોગ્રાફ કે બાર ગ્રાફ કે polygons whatever it may be. Question number 7 chapter number 2 factorize or something like this way. Okay, divisions ne. Section number D 2 question of 4 marks, 4 marks na બે question. Question number 8 chapter number 6 theorem, ये तो तुमने खबर है. Question number 9 chapter number 11 one constructions, ये भी तुमने खबर है. એટલે 8 plus 8 16 plus 9 25. 25 for this one, 24 for this one, so total is 50. Okay, so you will get the idea how to prepare from which chapter and how much marks is there. So that is your blueprint portions, all is included. Okay, now prepared well. Questions બરાબર વાંચજો અને એ પ્રમાણે આન્સર લખજો. જ્યાં ફિગર્સની જરૂર પડે ત્યાં ફિગર્સ કમ્પલસરી દોરવાની. થિયરમ્સના અંદર કમ્પલસરી ફિગર, નો ફિગર નો માર્ક્સ.